Dry humor. Definition. A dry, slightly sarcastic type of humor that expresses amusement in a clever or ironic way. Example. The teacher explained the mistake with dry humor. Cross the broad increase. Definition. An increase that applies to all people, groups, or items equally. Example. The company announced an across-the-board increase in salaries. Alarming increase. Definition. A rise that is worrying or causing concern. Example. Scientists warned about the alarming increase in the air pollution. Annual increase. Definition. An increase that happens once every year. Example. The workers receive an annual increase in their salaries. Anticipated increase. Definition. An increase that is expected or predicted. Example. Farmers expected an anticipated increase in crops prices. Automatic increase. Definition. An increase that happens automatically according to a rule or systems without needing approval each time. Example. Employees get an automatic increase after completing 5 years of service. Commensurate increase in. Definition. An increase that is proportional or equal to another increase. Example. There should be a commensurate increase in salaries when workload grows. Concomitant increase in. Definition. An increase that happens at the same time as another change or event. Example. There was a concomitant increase in stress among workers. Continued increase in. Definition. An increase that keeps happening over a period of time. Example, experts have observed a continued increase in internet usage. Corresponding increase. Definition. An increase that matches or relates directly to another increase. Example, higher sales produce a corresponding increase in revenue. Cost of living increase. Definition. A rise in wages or incomes to match rise in living expenses such as food, housing, and transportation. Example, the government approved a cost of living increase for pensioners. Dramatic increase in. Definition. A sudden and very noticeable rise. Example, the country experienced a dramatic increase in tourism last year. Drastic increase. A very large and sudden increase. Example, the storm caused a drastic increase in river water levels. Enormous increase. Definition. An extremely large rise. Example, there was an enormous increase in smartphone users. Expected increase. Definition. An increase that people believe will happen. Example, there was an expected increase in housing's demand next year. Exponential increase. Definition. A very rapid increase where the amount grows faster and faster over time. Example, technology has experienced an exponential increase in processing power. Fair increase. Definition. A rise in the price charged for transport such as buses, trains, or taxis. Example, the government announced a fare increase for bus services. Fivefold increase. Definition. An increase that makes something 5 times larger than before. Example, online learning platforms recorded a fivefold increase in users. Fourfold increase. Definition. An increase that makes something four times larger than before. Example, the new medicine resulted in a fourfold increase in recovery rates. Gradual increase. Definition. A slow and steady rise over time. Example, the school reported a gradual increase in its student enrollment. Hefty increase. Definition. A large or substantial rise. Example, the landlord demanded a hefty increase in rent. Huge increase in. Definition. A very big rise in something. Example, the city saw a huge increase in tourism. Increase borrowing. Definition. A rise in the amount of money borrowed by individuals, businesses, or governments. Example, the company may increase borrowings to expand its operations. Incremental increase. Definition. A small increase that happens step by step over time. Example, the firm planned an incremental increase in production. Large increase in. Definition. A significant rise in something. Example, there was a large increase in electricity consumptions during summer. Linear increase. Definition. An increase that grows at a constant rate over time. Example, the chart shows a linear increase in population over time. Marked increase. Definition. A clear and noticeable rise. Example, there was a marked increase in rainfall this season. Massive increase. Definition: a very large increase. Example: the festival brought a massive increase in visitors. Measurable increase in. Definition: an increase that can be really measured or quantified. Example: the survey revealed a measurable increase in public awareness about health. Moderate increase. Definition: a gradual or medium level rise in quantity, level or amount that is neither slight nor substantial. Example: the company reported a moderate increase in sales this year. In next tutorial, I will bring you English combined words with meaning lesson. Please subscribe my channel. The bell icons to get latest videos notifications. Share my video among your friends. See you in future videos.